Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Miss Honey Bunny, and today I am home and I decided to make some fried conch fritters. So just to discuss a few items that I will be using, I have a cup and a half of whole milk. I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1 egg, a half a chop of green peppers, half of red peppers, 2 celery sticks chopped, 1 juice of an onion, and a half an onion. And of course I have the conch. It's already been chopped, tenderized, and ready to go. So what we will be doing is going to go ahead and dump everything in here, mix it up, and then we will be ready to fry. So let's go ahead and start mixing it up. Okay, so off camera I just wanted to show you guys I mixed everything in, or placed everything in. I haven't started mixing yet, so I just wanted you to see. So during the mixing process, I'm going to add some fish seasoning, some onion powder, and some garlic. And with conch fritters, you can add heat. You can add red pepper. I'm not a heat person, so I'm just going to add a couple dashes of hot sauce. So what we're going to start doing, we're going to mix this all together, and then we'll go ahead and start frying it. I'll be back. All right, so you should have a consistency like this, thick enough so it's ready to fry. Most importantly, make sure you season your batter, and I know it's raw eggs in there, but make sure you taste it to make sure it's to your liking. The last thing you want to do is fry conch fritters and it's bland and it has no taste. So make sure you have tasted, put everything, all the other seasonings you want in there. Some people use seafood seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. So let's get started with the frying. Well, as you can see, it is frying. It's hot, but I wanted to come in and show you guys the end result. These are my conch fritters. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell, and until next time, be blessed.